Tania Bonbon is a renowned influencer and model, celebrated for promoting body positivity and plus-size fashion with her empowering posts. She inspires millions of followers to embrace their natural beauty and confidence. She is known for breaking stereotypes in the fashion industry by showcasing trendy styles, looks for curvy women. Tanya was born on March 19, 1995, which makes her 30 years old as of 2025. Height: she stands at 5 feet 6 inches. While her exact weight is not widely published, Tania proudly embraces her body size, which falls within the plus-size category. Hip size: her hip measurements are part of her unique figure, but specific details are not usually shared publicly for privacy reasons. Tania is from Miami, Florida, USA. Her social media presence, especially on Instagram and YouTube, has made her a role model for many young women seeking empowerment and inspiration in fashion. Thanks for watching this video.